Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can check the Wi-Fi gigahertz in your Android device. And also be noted the process is same for Android device as well as iPhone. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your settings. In here you will see connections, open connections. Now go for Wi-Fi. It will open up the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Select this settings button. Now, right at this section, as you can see, the Wi-Fi name is 2. That means this is 2 gigahertz or 2G. If it's 5G, it will show you 5G itself. For example, let's view it. In my case, I have this Wi-Fi right here, which says like @5, which is 5G. And my point is that you will know what gigahertz or what G the Wi-Fi is, depending upon its name. So if you see 2.4, that is 2G, and if you see 5, that is 5G. If you would like to get more info on it, select the settings button. So for security purposes, you might not be able to see that screen of mine, but you will see all the information regarding your Wi-Fi on that specific page. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.